And to understand how this kept happening, we need to hear from the person at the center of it. Not a critic, not a regulator, not a news report. The city filed the lawsuit in July. Yet by September, she gave this interview and acted as if none of this had already happened. Let's hear it from the founder herself, Kristen Exner.
So the organization was founded with the idea of taking animals, rescue animals, and giving them a second chance and creating programs to help other people find a second chance. We have a responsibility to help each other. We have a responsibility to help these animals.
While they were talking about caring for animals, the news was reporting that the same animals were dying.
6 puppies are fighting to live. 2 have died.